RC Maniacs.
Hey guys, welcome back. Got a new cool off-road truck here. I think it's called DG88 or 88R or something like that. Really cool Lexan body, lots of cool scale features. So yeah, I'm pretty excited about this. And this is the box. 2 different colors available. As you can see, I've got the blue one. There you go, the blue one. So it's a pretty sweet box. And yeah, let's check out the truck. And this is it. It's pretty sweet. I really like the blue color. Looks a bit like a Ford, maybe Raptor or whatever it's called. Nice scale features to it. It's a really nice body for a Lexan body, in my opinion. Spare tire in the rear, functional. These are okay. A bit stiff rubber maybe, but this is a trail truck, so I think this will do just fine. 12mm hex. So as I said, lots of scale features. We got a light bar on the roof, or 2 light bars actually. Headlights, as well as the rear lights. And got the 4-link suspension. So it looks really high quality actually if you look at the links and the drive shafts. And what I can see, we actually got ball bearings in there, which is really nice, a nice surprise. And it looks pretty cool. So we got the transmitter here, one of your pretty sweet basic transmitter. Nice foam grip. We got throttle rate, steering rate, as well as steering trim. So let's just power this on. And there we go. Lots of lights on this thing. For those of you who regularly watch my channel, you know I'm not too fond of the turning signal when you turn the steering, but nice headlights. So that's pretty cool. As I said, I really like the blue on the body there, so I'm going to put this down on the bench and we're going to have a look underneath the body. And yeah, it said it's 1/16 scale, but I don't know, I would say this is more to a 1/12 scale. Got the new D60 series here. So you can see it's pretty big. So yeah, let's have a look underneath the body and yeah, let's see what it's about. So friction shocks, a bit bouncy. So do all right on the trails, because I would consider this a trail truck more than a crawler. Got the light kit, pretty fancy setup. And we got the transmission here with a 390 sized motor. That's not bad, that's pretty sweet. Battery up front, which is really good. And the battery is a 1200 milliamp 2S lithium ion. 3-wire servo. And yeah, let's just double check the servo, but I think really fast and actually pretty strong servo, so that's really nice. It's a really nice 3-wire servo. And it's axle mounted actually, which is really nice. Did notice that the rear bumper is a bit in the way when you want to fold the body. Got hinges in the back and body posts in the front. And you can see some of the links here. The link setup is actually really nice. You can see it's nice quality on the links as well as the drive shafts. And gotta say that I'm liking the axles with the ball bearings, even though they are, yeah, they are pretty massive. They look nice. You can see the shocks there, which looks like you can choose between two different places to mount them, different angles, I guess, on the shocks. So I removed the wheel, and you can see here we got a proper ball bearing there, which is really nice. So I'm guessing we got ball bearings throughout. Closer look at this suspension and how it's fitted. And yeah, the hex is in there, but yeah, it's a 12mm hex, which is great. It really opens up for a lot of different options without using adapters and stuff like that. If you want to use this more of a crawler, you're definitely going to want to fit some softer tires. But yeah, it's really nice. And as you may have noticed earlier, got inner fenders. This is really nice. Helps protect the inside from dirt and water. I'm guessing that this is not waterproof. Not 100% sure though. So you might want to protect that if you're planning to go in deep water with it. Got one of these connectors. I'm not sure what it's called. And pretty big battery tray here, so you can probably fit a pretty decent battery. So yeah, this is a pretty sweet truck actually, and I'm excited to take this with me out on the trails and give this a go. And let's see here, because this seems to be a pretty sweet trail truck. Yeah, you won't do any crawling, but you're definitely going to have a good time on the trails with it, and it looks awesome. I think this color will really pop out there on the trails. And yeah, I think we need to glue the tires, and yeah, we're going to glue the tires, and then I think we are ready to hit the trails with this. Maybe you guys want to see a couple of size comparisons, so yeah, let's do that. So here we got the truck, and yeah, let's see what we got available. We got the Jimny here. You can see the size there, and let's see what else we got. We got the new little HG Toyota. So this, as you can see, this is pretty massive. I wouldn't call this a 1/16 scale, definitely more of a 1/12 scale truck, but it's nice. We like lights. And let's see where that, yeah, here we got the bumper. So I'm going to fit this again. As you saw, it got in the way a bit if you want to open this completely, but still enough to access the battery, which is all you want to do. Got the on-off switch right there. So yeah, cool truck. Excited to try this out on the trails. Maybe we'll do some light crawling with it, but yeah, it's definitely more of a trail truck in my opinion. So yeah, let's take this outside and see if we can find a cool spot for it. Okay, so I got out between rain showers. So it's lots of ice. It's really wet outside, but yeah, I'm out in the woods trying to do some trailing with this. It looks really, really good. The tires have like zero traction on the ice. But it's a really good looking body. Can drift a little here on the ice. Whoa. So I'm going to try to find a little side trail out in the woods that's suitable for this. Whoa. That's full throttle drifting here. So I really just wanted to get this outside, get some cool shots, but the weather really isn't on our side here, but it's a fun little trail truck. Looks really cool. I like the light bars on the roof. They are super bright. It's a full throttle. Slightly faster than walking pace. So yeah, it actually handles the terrain better than expected. Looks kind of cool while doing it as well. So this isn't really a trail, just middle of the woods, but still. Yeah, nice. Whoa. Let's do a little 3-point turn there. So we haven't got any drag brake. No drag brake means it's a bit hard to crawl, but still works decent for trailing. And the blue looks great out here in the woods. Really pops. Ooh, that was nice. So it's starting to get dark, but you can see the headlights and the light bar on the roof. They really light up. See, yeah, that looks really cool actually, and I really like the blue color. So